Hey guys, we started our day with this healthy, crackling breakfast. And to my rescue, I had my mum. Though I was laughing right now, but I was very scared.
2 hours later.
So guys, Sonu is making raita. कैरेट रायता के लिए नहीं है, ये अलग सा खाने के लिए है. यहाँ पर उसने ऑलरेडी कुकुम्बर काटा है. सो गाइस, रायता इज डन. एंड इसमें क्या एडिशनल कुछ क्या डाला है एक्स्ट्रा?
This is beetroot raita. Instead of making it fine, I just sliced it
ओके.
and kept it a little bit raw rather than making it creamy.
ए इसमें यू पुट कैरेट आल्सो, राइट?
No,
क्या है फिर? अच्छा, टमेटो यू हैव पुट.
tomato, cucumber,
हाँ
and then I put coriander,
हाँ
coriander leaves. I mean, what do you say? Kothmir, and then mint, a little bit mint leaves, and then green chili, 2 green chilies. So it has like.
फॉरगेट दैट. वेयर इज योर टी शर्ट?
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म है.
I know.
You're looking funny.
It's summer. It's very hot. I'm feeling very hot over here. That's the reason.
But you're looking funny. Okay. So guys, for lunch we made egg curry with coconut milk. Just check out the recipe here.
व एक नाल घेयला, नाल्ला रोस काटा आणि तांतयां येलो कोडी कोता काल दिन म्हणटा तेका. आणि तेका हांव जिरें 1 टीस्पून घेयलें जिरें आणि घेयल्या एक सुकल्यो कोथमीर 1 टेबल स्पून घेयल्या आणि हे लसूण घेयल्या. हे सगळ्याचो हांव रोस काडटलें नाल्लाचो आणि हे होण्णां घालपाक. 2 टमाटां 2 पियाव आणि इल्लीशी करीपत्ता घेयलें आणि 5 जाण जिते मिरसांग घेयले आणि इल्ली ओडोद आणि तेला पियाव हे सगळें होण्णां घालता. हांव तेल घातां पियाव होण्ण मारपाक आणि मागीर पियाव घातां.
So guys, just to tell you again, we are making egg curry and we are going to make it with coconut milk.
पियाव भाजत म्हणल्यार टमाट कातता बारीक कातून घाता.
Told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
स्टील आयदनान तूं रोखडें करपता. एकदम स्लो दवरून भाजूंक पडटा. पियाव जालो, भाजून जालो. आतां टमाट घाता आणि तितून कढीपत्ताय घाता. इल्लें मीठ घाता, मातशें मोव जावपा बेगीन मोव जाता टमाट आनी पियाव.
but I've known you too long. It hurts to
मातशें बंद करून
watch your
दवरता 2-3
colors
मिनट.
fade to gray as you fade away. As you
Now we're just going to add a pinch of turmeric. Tomatoes and onions are already cooked. And we're going to add green chilies now.
5 green chilies.
5 green chilies.
Spice you can make how much? जिते मिरसांग घाता 5 चीन घायले तिखसाणी मातशें कित्याक हांवें हांटलो न्हय.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my
वो
brain.
पातोड नाल्ला रोस काडला. वो आतां पयलीं घान हितून शिजयता हरकत येवपा जाय का. ही तांतयां उकोण तांतयां कोडी कोता आनी हांव तांकां मातशें गाय घातां. ही तांतयां तुमच्यान उकोण आसतना देखून करूं जाता पूण हांवें उकोण केलें आयज. कोडी मुंगे शिजवले हरकोत येयला तो तांती उकडलो तांती घाता ही तांती घान आता हे पातळ रोसा हांवें मातशें हरकोत काडटा आनी मागीर दाटे रोस घाता
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too
मागीर रोस घाता दाटेलो मातशें सारकें बंद कोनाकाय मातशें उदकी दवरना जो वतोन भायर पोटोली कोडी आतां हरकोत येयला वो दाटे रोस आहे नाला रोस दाटे काळटो घाता आता आय एम एडिंग लिटल कोरिएंडर इलिशी कोरिएंडर घाता
some coriander
Yes.
leaves here.
and now one boil and then curry is ready
Oh.
okay
So mommy said
According
you
the-
just keep it
yes
another few minutes. As soon as it boils, it's done.
it's done
Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you to all who have already subscribed. God bless.